This is KION News Channel 546 at 5.
Our top story tonight, ag workers in Santa Cruz County are finally getting their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. Thanks for being here tonight at 5 o'clock. I'm Aaron Groff. The county says they've had 410 ag industry employees test positive for the virus since the pandemic started. That number might seem low, and it's a number they do believe is severely undercounted because people did not want to say what business sector they work for when asked. But the South County area, we're told, accounts for 60% of all of the county's cases. KION's Stephanie Aceves reports from that big vaccine effort in Watsonville today.
After months and months of waiting for the vaccine, today agricultural workers have the opportunity to be vaccinated, with health officials allotting 1,000 doses. Dominican Hospital and the Santa Cruz County Farm Bureau partnered up to create an impromptu vaccine clinic to vaccinate farm workers in Watsonville. The hospital is vaccinating farm workers today and Friday, vaccinating 500 workers per day.
Fortunate to have the opportunity to receive an offer from Dominican Hospital to work with them to do a farm worker clinic with a fair number of vaccines that we have this week, and we just got the word of that late last week, and so we had to work on it over the weekend.
In order for a more equitable process, the Farm Bureau used an algorithm to select workers for the vaccination clinics, but tell me they hope to have a more cohesive program in place to erase any fears of the actual safety of the vaccine.
I think the most important thing for me is to have people coming out to the fields to talk with farm workers and tell them the good and the bad of the vaccine so that we understand.
The process also brings concerns, having to give out personal information, a heightened concern for some if they are undocumented, and what government agencies will have access to their information.
But what we're really looking to develop is within the farm worker community as ambassadors in the farm worker community who have successfully gone through the COVID process of the vaccine, so that as more and more workers come into the valley in the spring for the harvest, that there's going to be a group of people that's been vaccinated, they understand it, they know what it is, and they're able to tell other farm workers about their experience.
With today's successful turnout, health officials are anticipating having more events like this in the future. Reporting in Watsonville, Stephanie Aceves, KION News Channel 546.